Mastering safety culture development. Safety is sacrificed when profits are prioritized over people. Which strategies can our organization employ to guarantee that safety considerations are consistently integrated into the planning and execution phases of our capital projects, thereby ensuring that operational excellence is upheld while minimizing risks and protecting our workforce and assets? To ensure that safety considerations are consistently integrated into the planning and execution phases of capital projects, guaranteeing operational excellence while minimizing risks and protecting the workforce and assets, the following strategies can be employed. 1. Establish a safety-driven project management framework. Develop a project management framework that explicitly integrates safety considerations into each phase of the capital project lifecycle. This framework should define safety roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities for all project stakeholders, including project managers, engineers, contractors, and operators. 2. Conduct hazard identification and risk assessments. Perform thorough hazard identification and risk assessments during the planning phase to identify potential safety risks associated with the project. This will enable the development of effective risk mitigation strategies and the allocation of resources to address safety concerns. 3. Develop a safety and health management plan. Create a comprehensive safety and health management plan, SHMP, that outlines the safety strategies, policies, and procedures to be implemented throughout the project lifecycle. The SHMP should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure it remains relevant and effective. 4. Integrate safety into design. Ensure that safety considerations are incorporated into the design phase of the project. This can be achieved through the use of safety and design principles, such as inherently safer design, and by involving safety professionals in the design review process. 5. Safety-centric contractor management. Develop a contractor management program that holds contractors accountable for safety performance. This should include safety performance metrics, regular safety audits, and a system for reporting and investigating safety incidents. 6. Regular safety risk assessments and reviews. Conduct regular safety risk assessments and reviews throughout the project lifecycle to identify and mitigate emerging safety risks. This will ensure that safety risks are proactively managed and controlled. 7. Ensure competency and training. Ensure that all project personnel, including contractors and operators, have the necessary competencies and training to safely execute their tasks. This should include safety-specific training, as well as training on project-specific hazards and risks. 8. Establish a safety incident reporting and investigation system. Develop a system for reporting and investigating safety incidents, including near misses and hazardous conditions. This will enable the identification of root causes and the implementation of effective corrective actions to prevent recurrence. 9. Safety-focused commissioning and startup. Ensure that safety considerations are integrated into the commissioning and startup phase of the project. This should include the development of a commissioning and startup plan that outlines safety procedures and protocols. 10. Continuous monitoring and review. Establish a system for continuous monitoring and review of safety performance throughout the project lifecycle. This will enable the identification of areas for improvement and the implementation of corrective actions to enhance safety performance. 11. Active participation and engagement. Foster an environment of active participation and engagement among all project stakeholders, including contractors, operators, and site personnel. This will encourage open communication, reporting of safety concerns, and a shared commitment to safety excellence. 12. Safety performance metrics and KPIs. Establish safety performance metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure safety performance throughout the project lifecycle. This will enable the tracking of safety trends, identification of areas for improvement, and the implementation of data-driven safety decisions. 13. Lessons learned and knowledge sharing. Establish a system for capturing and sharing lessons learned from safety incidents and near misses. This will enable the dissemination of best practices and the implementation of effective safety solutions across the organization. 14. Safety-centric project governance. Ensure that project governance structures and processes are aligned with safety objectives. This should include the appointment of a safety champion or advocate to ensure that safety considerations are integrated into project decision-making processes. 15. Stakeholder engagement and communication. Ensure that stakeholders, including the workforce, regulators, and local communities, are informed and engaged on safety matters throughout the project lifecycle. This will foster a culture of transparency, trust, and cooperation. By employing these strategies, organizations can guarantee that safety considerations are consistently integrated into the planning and execution phases of capital projects, thereby ensuring operational excellence, minimizing risks, and protecting the workforce and assets.